Okay, welcome back. We're talking about linear equations. Page 142 is a good starting point. Hey, I love my math is fun equations. So here we go. We have got a series of these guys, and I build them in a form of a matrix to include whatever the answer is, minus 6. So I take all this stuff, and then that whole dot product again. See, this becomes the dot product. In our case, we use x1, x2, x3. They're using x, y, and z. So that becomes the dot product. And so this is how you solve the problem. You go through and just do it. Okay. So that's the technique. And so we're going back to here. And okay. So on page 142, the example that they're using, it turns out that the value for x1 is 2. The value of x2 is 4, then 3, and then 7. So it went through and calculated all this stuff. Now, doing this by hand, of course, is a bit rough because, it's just too much stuff going on. But this Gauss-Jordan method, which is the technique that's being described here, is actually a better way of doing it. I can actually write an equation coming up with a way to transform this thing in and calculate what the values are. So, pop, 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 and it does all this stuff for you, and then presto chango, ta-da! So there's more than one way to do this. I'm just telling you. But again, you're going to have to find a Gauss-Jordan technique that you can use for an upcoming assignment. They're not that difficult to do, and you'll be able to spot that they're actually pretty doggone fast. A heck of a lot faster than the standard technique. Okay, we have reached the end of this chapter, and I'll see you guys again in the next chapter.